fellow crafters. Today on Budget Scenery Workshop I'm going to show you how you can make a really cool and realistic looking tree without the use of wire or clay. Let's get started. So the first thing I did was just take a scrap piece of my XPS foam and just kind of chip away it with my fingernails, not being too specific. Just give it a little texture with a bit of tin foil. Then with some cocktail sticks, I guess, or barbecue skewers, I just kind of snapped them, then made them more secure by using hot glue. This would also give them a really good bark-like texture. This build was again very heavy on the hot glue, but as you can see, it gives it a really good texture. And all I did was just go over any bits I'd missed previously, just making sure it wasn't all even, because you know a tree isn't like uniform, so I had to have like big bumps here and no bumps there, a little bit of a gap there, but yeah, it was cool just going around seeing any places I missed. And at this point it was really looking cool. I would have been happy with it just like this, to be honest. Then everyone's favourite stage, I just gave it a good coat of black paint and PVA. I just used cheap acrylic paint and just your bog standard PVA glue. Then using my super duper brand new wet palette, I'm still not used to it by the way, I mixed a yellow and brown to create a kind of lighter brown after I'd spray painted the entire piece brown. Then with a slightly oversized brush, I just went over it a slightly lighter shade of brown. Then with my sponge, I kind of just dabbed on an even lighter shade of brown. I mixed like more yellow into it. This gives it a really good messed up texture. Then I had lots and lots of this lichen. I mean, you don't have to use this stuff, but I just had lots of it used over. I guess you could use cottonwood balls and just spray them green. Then I had a few bits left over, so just using this little pot of watered down PVA, I just sprinkled on the loose bits. And the last stage was to use some PVA glue and just add a little bit of my flocking. So, final build is coming up in just a second. And there you have it. I managed to make a tree without the use of any modelling wire or any clay. So it was super easy. As you can see, it's very effective. Even without all this lichen, I guess, it would be a really cool little piece. Just interesting little dead tree or something. But yeah, I think it's a really cool looking tree. So yes, this challenge build was by Shane Hyde. So thank you for that challenge. It was really cool. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you would like to support the channel and help me do this full time, you can support me on Patreon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave your build request or build challenges in the comments. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.